Do you have terrible looking RV windows? Or do you have creeping seals? And no, I don't mean this kind of creeping seal. I mean this kind of creeping seal. Well, if so, let us take you to a place in Coburg, Oregon, where we had our side windows replaced in our old motorhome, and it looks like $1,000,000. It looks 20 years younger. When we left off with our last video, we were trying to find our way out of Albany, Oregon, on our way to Mexico, with a planned stop in the Eugene area to have our side windows replaced in our motorhome Monty. Well, we finally found our way out of Albany, and we found the I-5, and before too long, we were in the Eugene area looking for our Airbnb in the Springfield area. This was so that we could take Monty the next day to the plant in Coburg, Oregon, which is just a little bit north of Eugene, to have the window replacement done. We opted for a stay in the country while Monty was being attended to, and we were really happy we did. Hey, Sparkles.
Yeah?
Can you look at me? The next morning, with Michaela driving Lola behind me, I backtracked to Coburg to the place where Monty was to have the windows replaced. The building is spectacular looking, and it may look familiar to some of you because it's the original Monaco motor coach factory, the manufacturing plant where Monacos were built up until, I believe, 2009 when it closed. Now, many of you out there are better historians than I am about RVs. My understanding is that Beavers were also built in this plant. Prior to 2000, Beaver, I believe, was bought out by Safari. Safari was bought out by Monaco, and Monaco was bought out by another group that eventually went bankrupt. In any event, this is the old Monaco plant. Hi, Eddie. And we got a guy coming right now.
I'm gonna collect your stuff while you talk to him.
Okay. Oh, hi. Welcome to RV Glass Solutions. We have a solution for everything. I hope. We made an appointment to have our side windows replaced 4 years ago, just before COVID hit. We couldn't make it during that time because the borders were closed, businesses were closing down. This company, RV Glass Solutions, 4 years later, honored the original price they gave to us prior to 2020. Amazing. This project was flawless from beginning to end. From the moment that we drove up and the staff came out to meet us, to the time that we went inside the building and met Carrie, the person we had been in touch with for 4 years. And working with Carrie were all the back shop crew. Joseph, who took the lead, they were just all wonderful people. This company is one of those companies that has it right, from customer service to competent workmanship. I mean, we can't say enough about these guys. They're professional, they're polite, they're competent, and they care. By the time we left, they'd become like family. There's Monty, all done. Cosmetic surgery completed. 4 years in the making, Eddie.
Big reveal. No more creepy seals.